Welcome to Slow English. Lesson 1. I am happy you are here. Today we are going to learn the most common daily English sentences. These are sentences real people use every day. In the morning, at work, with friends, at home. These sentences are simple, but they are very important. Let's begin. Our first sentence is this one. I'm getting ready. Say it with me. I'm getting ready. This sentence means you are preparing for something. You are preparing to go out. You are preparing for work, for school, for the day. In the morning, this is very common. Your friend calls you and says, "Are you ready?" And you say, "Not yet. I'm getting ready." Simple, natural, real. Here is another way to say it. I'm almost ready. Give me 5 minutes. I'm almost ready. Give me 5 minutes. People say this every day. Okay, let's move on. Our second sentence. I didn't sleep well last night. Say it slowly. I didn't sleep well last night. This sentence is very useful. We all have nights when sleep is not good. Maybe you were thinking too much. Maybe you were too hot, too cold, too tired. And in the morning, someone says, "How are you?" And you say, "I didn't sleep well last night. I'm a little tired." Let's practice the second part too. I'm a little tired today. I'm a little tired today. Yes. Simple, easy, real. Now, sentence 3. I need a coffee. I need a coffee. This one. Everyone understands. In the morning, before work, before anything. I need a coffee. Or maybe you say, I can't start without coffee. I can't start without my coffee. Both are very natural. You can also say, "Can I get a coffee, please?" This is for when you are in a cafe. Or you are asking a colleague in the office, "Can I get a coffee, please?" Can I get a coffee, please? Good. Let's continue. Sentence 4. What are your plans for today? What are your plans for today? You say this to a friend, to a colleague, to your partner. It is a friendly question. It means, what are you going to do today? A natural answer might be, I have a meeting in the morning. Then I'll probably just rest. Let's say that again. I have a meeting in the morning. Then I'll probably just rest. The word probably is important here. It means you are not 100% sure. Maybe I will rest, maybe not. But probably yes. I'll probably go to the gym later. I'll probably call her tonight. I'll probably be home by 7. Probably. Probably. Remember this word. Okay. Sentence 5. This one is very, very common. I'll be there in a minute. I'll be there in a minute. This does not always mean exactly 1 minute. It means, I am coming soon. Your friend is waiting outside. You are still inside. You call them and say, I'll be there in a minute. Or at work. Your boss says, Are you coming to the meeting? And you say, Yes, I'll be there in a minute. You can also say, I'm on my way. I'm on my way. This means, I have already started coming. I am moving towards you. I'm on my way. See you soon. Good. Very good. Let's slow down a little here. Take a breath. We have learned 5 sentences so far. Number 1, I'm getting ready. Number 2, I didn't sleep well last night. Number 3, I need a coffee. Number 4, what are your plans for today? Number 5, I'll be there in a minute. Say them quietly to yourself. These sentences are for the morning, for the start of the day. Now, let's look at sentences for the afternoon, for work, for talking to people. Sentence 6. Can you help me with something? Can you help me with something? This is polite. This is natural. You need help. You ask someone, can you help me with something? Or maybe you say, do you have a moment? Do you have a moment? This means, are you free? Can you give me a little time? Do you have a moment? I need to ask you something. Do you have a moment? I need to ask you something. These two sentences go well together. Do you have a moment? Can you help me with something? Very natural. Very useful. Sentence 7. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. This is very important. In English, we say I'm not sure. A lot. It means I don't know exactly. I don't have the answer right now. Someone asks, what time does the meeting start? And you say, I'm not sure. Let me check. I'm not sure. Let me check. Let me check. This means, I will look for the answer now. I'm not sure. Let me check. You can also say, I'm not sure about that. Maybe ask someone else. I'm not sure about that. Maybe ask someone else. These are very honest sentences, and people respect honesty. Sentence 8. It depends. It depends. Oh, this is a very useful phrase. It depends means the answer can change. It is different for different situations. Someone asks, do you want to go out tonight? And you say, it depends. What time? Or someone asks, is the train fast? And you say, it depends on where you are going. It depends on where you are going. It depends on the traffic. It depends on how I feel. It depends. 2 simple words. Very powerful. Sentence 9. Let me think about it. Let me think about it. This is very polite. Sometimes we need time to decide. And instead of saying, I don't know, we say, let me think about it. Your colleague says, can you finish this report today? And you say, let me think about it. I'll tell you soon. Let me think about it. Or even simpler, give me a moment. Give me a moment. This means, please wait. I need a short time. Give me a moment. I'm almost finished. Good. Let's pause again. We are doing well. Here are today's sentences again. All together. I'm getting ready. I didn't sleep well last night. I need a coffee. What are your plans for today? I'll be there in a minute. Can you help me with something? I'm not sure. It depends. Let me think about it. Take a moment. Say each one quietly. Now we will look at sentences for feelings, for emotions, for the end of the day. Sentence 10. I'm a bit stressed. I'm a bit stressed. A bit means a little. Not a lot, but a little. I'm a bit stressed. There's a lot to do. I'm a bit stressed. There's a lot to do. This is something many people say, and it is okay to say it. You can also say, I'm feeling overwhelmed. Wait, that word, overwhelmed, is a little advanced. Let's use something simpler. I have a lot on my mind. I have a lot on my mind. This means I'm thinking about many things. I feel heavy inside. I have a lot on my mind today. I'm a bit stressed. I have a lot on my mind. These two sentences sound very natural together. Sentence 11. I just need a break. I just need a break. A break means a short rest. Time to stop. Not forever. Just for a few minutes. I just need a break. I've been working for 3 hours. I just need a break. You can also say, let's take a break. Let's take a break. This is when you are with someone and you both need to rest. Come on, let's take a break. We've been working for a long time. Good. Very natural. Sentence 12. That sounds good. That sounds good. This is one of the most useful sentences in English. Someone says, let's meet at 3. You say, that sounds good. Someone says, I'll send you the information tonight. You say, that sounds good. Thank you. You can also say, that works for me. That works for me. That works for me means, yes, I agree. That is okay for me. That works for me. See you then. That sounds good. That works for me. Both are friendly. Both are natural. Sentence 13. Almost there. I'm looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to it. This means I am excited about something in the future. Maybe you have a holiday next week. I'm looking forward to my holiday. Maybe you have a dinner with friends. I'm really looking forward to seeing you. I'm really looking forward to seeing you. This is a warm sentence. It makes people feel good. Say it to someone this week. I'm looking forward to it. And now, our last sentence of the day. Sentence 14. Take care. Take care. This is how many people say goodbye. Not just goodbye, but a little more. Take care means be safe. Be well. I care about you. It was great talking to you. Take care. See you tomorrow. Take care. Simple. Warm. Beautiful. You can also say, have a good one. Have a good one. This means have a good day. Have a good evening. Have a good time. Have a good one. See you soon. Okay, let's go through all of today's sentences one final time. Say them with me. Slowly. I'm getting ready. I didn't sleep well last night. I need a coffee. What are your plans for today? I'll be there in a minute. Can you help me with something? I'm not sure. It depends. Let me think about it. I'm a bit stressed. I just need a break. That sounds good. I'm looking forward to it. Take care. These are sentences from real life, from real people, from real days. They are simple, but they are powerful. When you know these sentences, you can talk in many situations. You don't need to think too hard. The words will come naturally. That is the end of Lesson 1. Thank you for listening. Thank you for being patient with yourself. Learning a language takes time. It is okay to be slow. Slow is good. Slow is how we learn. Repeat this lesson every day. In the morning. Before you sleep. Whenever you can. The more you repeat, the more you remember. See you in the next lesson. Take care.